In the next three examples, we're going to go ahead and expand each logarithmic expression. So if we take a look here, we have log base 3 of 9x divided by y. So if I wanted to separate this, because this is division there, I know that using my properties, that it's the same thing as log base 3 of 9x minus log base 3 of y. Then here, this is saying 9 times x. And we know that we can use a property to separate these using addition. So we could do log base 3 of 9 plus log base 3 of x. And next thing we can do here is we could evaluate this. 3 to what power is 9? 3 to what power is 9? The answer to that is 2. And this one here, there's nothing we can do here because we have that variable there. And same thing here. So this is a completely as expanded as it will go. Okay, here we have, this is saying 3 times x to the 4th. So if we want to separate these two, we would use addition. It would be absolutely incorrect to put this 4 in the front. We cannot do that because if we put it in the front, that would be saying that the 4 is in front of the 3 also. So we cannot do that. We have to wait to move that 4. Now we can move it because the 4 is only with the x here. So we have log base 2 of 3 plus, move the 4 in front, and then check and see if anything can be simplified. This is saying 2 to what power is 3, which that one we can't simplify without a calculator. And this one has a variable, so this is as expanded as it will go. Okay, last one like this here. First of all, we see division, so we could separate it using subtraction. Now I could rewrite this as x to the 1/2 power using our properties for radicals. And now both of these have exponents here and here. So we know that there's a property that says we can move it to the front. So we would have 1/2 log 3x minus 5 times log 3y. And that is completely expanded.